My name is Holly Martin, and I'm a professional organizer living in Los Angeles, California. And I'm here to inspire you today to stop using plastic. Let's get sustainable, people. I recently purchased this awesome little kit. It comes with a set of chopsticks, which I love. They're the coolest metal chopsticks, super easy to wash. It comes with a fork, knife, and spoon, and 2 options for straws, plus a little cleaning guy to keep your straws clean. Carry it around with you and be a silent activist. Lead by example. Let's stop throwing plastic in our oceans and save our planet. The next holiday party you go to, just pull out your little kit and just use that. People will notice, and maybe we can inspire more people to use their real silverware, use real dishes. Let's appreciate the good things and use it, because we all know life is short and it's time to go back to the basics and live simply. And I hope that I can inspire others to do that. So have an awesome day, have a wonderful holiday season, and reduce, reuse, recycle. Let's rescue the planet together. If you're interested in more Holly Help videos, please hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time.